Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Elago H stand for headphones. So I have the AirPods Max over here, but their case is pretty dumb. So I kind of wanted a stand to hold the headphones, and that's why I got this. So let's just quickly open it up. The box is pretty simple. There's a little thank you message, and it comes pre-assembled. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. This is what it looks like. And I got the space gray color because that matches my headphones. And that's what it looks like. A pretty nice looking design. It has the Apple feel to it. It's really minimal. It's made out of aluminum, or I think it is. The top is rubber so that the headband doesn't get damaged. And it seems to hold it pretty nicely. I don't see any downsides with it. It has the minimal aesthetic that I was going for, and I think it would look pretty nice on any tabletop. The only thing I was worried about is because of the AirPods Max's mesh top, I was worried it might wear it out a little bit too quickly, but I think it's going to be fine because it evenly distributes the pressure along the mesh and the metal part of the headband. So this is just a quick first impressions of the H stand by Elago. It fits the aesthetic pretty nicely. Here, I'll show some shots in my setup to see what it might look like. But other than that, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one.